Hey there, we're back on it again, Tow TV. I'm running with one of my other drivers, one of my co-workers right here, Steven. He's up in front of me. He's fixing to load one up. Anytime we're together, we try to, if time allows for it, we try to watch each other's back. So I'm gonna go over here and help him get loaded, make sure he gets it loaded safe. Huh? It's got a May 19 tag. We gotta load this one up. We're gonna roll up here. We got one more. He's gonna load up one, and I'm gonna load a couple also. What is it? Yeah. Nah, it's good. This thing is a piece, man.
Right here's lifesaver.
I'm telling you, man, you ain't lying.
All right, bro.
I'll talk to you, man. Sign them out. I'm gonna go load mine.
All right.
Thanks, man. Take it easy.
Thank you.
Yep. Looks like that car sat there for probably a year. It's been sitting there at least a year. Nobody's moved it. That's why they get towed. This property here, they called us to come get these junk cars off the property. They've been here too long, and that's what we do. Anyway, this one's got a January 19, 2020 dealer plate on it. I don't think it's a real dealer plate. Whoever's got it's been drinking, driving behind the wheel. It's got a beer sitting right there. So we're gonna load this one up. It's hanging off my side rail. That's a really easy problem to fix. I'll show you how to do that. It's real simple. The angle of the chain is gonna pull the rear end that way. Anyway, I'm gonna hook this Honda from the rear, and I'm gonna pop pop the ignition release, transmission shifter, put it in neutral. I'll take it off the property and flip it around and hook the front end because I can't pull it from the rear, just a short ways. Anyway. Yeah, it's got a sticker on the side of it.
No tag.
What again?
No tag.
No, you got no tag.
Yeah, the tag's expired on it. It's 1219 on the window.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
Huh?
It doesn't matter because I'm getting ready. I'm getting the top again.
But as far as telling me it don't matter, you got to tell the office it don't matter because we're here to tow them. You got to tell the office that.
Okay,
Basically.
I'm gonna talk to them.
Okay, well you gonna have? Can you move the car right now? Will it move?
Where?
Will the car crank up and move? Does it run?
No.
It don't run? Well, I'm gonna have to load it up, man. I mean, that's all I can do. I can't do nothing but load it.
Let me talk to them. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna use my car right now, man. I'm going to the gas station.
You say it runs?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Oh, okay. If it runs, as long as it runs, I mean, I'm not hooked to it. If the car runs and you can move it, I don't have to tow it because you have the ability to move it off the property yourself. But the ones that don't run, we have to tow them. That's just what we do. We tow them.
Yeah,
we don't have any choice.
I'm gonna use it now, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the car right now because I'm going to the gas station. So I'm moving.
Okay. But you just got to. But hey, if you ever get a sticker, just communicate with the office.
And who put it?
It was done by the property. The property manager had it done. Had a sticker.
I'm gonna talk to them. I'm gonna talk to them right now.
Okay. All right. Yeah, you'll have to because I can't leave the property with cars here that they tell me to tow it. We can't leave them here. That's why we're here. You know what I'm saying? So you just please talk to them or we'll have to tow it.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to them now.
Okay. You got it. We're back at the lot, man. We're gonna go ahead and drop.